You are a freelancer and you offer multiple services. Hopefully, you also have a lot of clients, but every time you think about onboarding them, you want to cry yourself to sleep. And that's when your client onboarding planner agent enters the room. Your agent has simple settings. It will run only when you start a new chat or when you mention the agent. Also, it only connects to My Client Onboarding Process, that it's a page existing in the same instruction. But it's empty right now because you haven't started any conversation with your agent yet. So let's get on with it. Let's ask our agent help for our new client named Arianna. Because our agent has zero information about our current onboarding process for a one-on-one consulting call, the agent will ask us what our current onboarding process is. Also, it will ask us if we have a CRM in Notion so that it will be able to learn about our workflow automatically. For now, let's add our onboarding steps. Because we haven't connected the CRM, the agent will give our onboarding overview here. That contains the project overview, the checklist for us and our clients, and missing information that the agent needs to draft our welcome email. It also asks us if we want to save this process in our My Clients Onboarding process so that it can reuse it automatically next time. I will say yes, and then we will connect our CRM to see how the agent acts when a database is connected. Because the page is empty, it saves the changes in here. Perfect. Now that it has this information, we can try to connect our CRM and then ask to act on it. We have to change the permission to can edit content and then save. Now that we have given access to the CRM, we want to ask help for one of the clients that exists there. And I've also specified that I have no onboarding plan yet so that our agent can directly help us. It gathers information about the client that we have in our CRM. And before creating the onboarding plan, it actually asks us again for confirmation because it doesn't want to add anything that is not confirmed by us. Also, it asks us what our usual sequence for social media management is, because the service that we had for this client was different from the one that was already saved in our client onboarding process page. Now that we have given the process, it added this process to our client onboarding process page in here. And then it changed the Northwind onboarding brief page. In here, you will see that we have two toggles. One for the onboarding brief, considering all the information that was inside of the CRM. So the price, the notes, and the scope. And also, it gave us our welcome email. I really hope that this agent will help you with the admin hell that is onboarding new clients. Bye!